Can you see a piggy? Where's the pig?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What does the pig say? Well done. Where's the pig? Well done. What about a cat? Can you see a cat?
No.
Meow.
No.
Well done. There's a cat.
Bee.
A bee. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Okay, well done. Good. What else can you see? Can you see a cow? Oh, there's a bird. What does the bird say?
Said the bear.
What does he say?
Chip,
Cheep, cheep. Well done. Yeah, lots of pigs. Can you turn the page?
that.
No, not turn it round. Turn the page. Oh, Weetabix everywhere. Okay. What can you see?
That.
Tractor. Wow. What?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What else can you see?
Uh-oh.
That's all right. We'll get rid of that in a minute. Can you see a duck?
Quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack. What else?
Quack, 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 quack.
Yeah, well done. There's the duck. Can you see a mouse? Well done. Yeah, lots of mice. Well done.
Mommy.